Hmm. A square. Good morning, children. We are going to continue chapter 3, a square and a square root. A square root, first of all, we shall learn here a square root by prime factorization method. इसका दो तरीका है, एक प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से और दूसरा डिवीजन मेथड, लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शैल कम टू नो about prime factorization method, exercise 3D. So let us see, this is number 441. We have to find out a square root of 441. I have done the prime factorization of 441 and this is equal to prime factorization of 441 equal to 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now write down, you can write here 3 square into 7 into 7, you can write here 7 square, and this is how a square root of 441. This is a square root sign. The square root of 441, you can write here a square root of 3a square into 7a square. When the square root will remove, certainly this a square will also remove. So thus a square root of 441 equal to 3 into 7 equal to 21. This is your answer. Let us consider second example. 1296. 1296, I have done prime factorization, and prime factorization of 1296, you can write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and in a square form you can write 2a square, 2a square, 3a square, 3a square. I have written here this prime factorization in a square form. Now you can write here under root 1296 equal to under root 2a square into 2a square into 3a square into 3a square. Remove the a square within a square root and sign of a square root, then you can write here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and this will be equal to 36. This is answer. Now let us consider question number 6. We have to find out a square root of 4096. I have found out a square root of 4096, and this is equal to 2a square, 2a square, 2a square, 2a square, 2a square, and 2a square. I have written it in a square form, and thus we can write here under root 4096 equal to under root 2a square into 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 2a square. Remove the square and this square root sign, we will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and if you multiply it, you will get 64, and this is a square root of 4096. Come to question number 13. We have to find out by which number 252 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square number. It is not a perfect square number. It is word problem. It is not a perfect square number. We have to find out a number such that if it is multiplied by that number, then it will become a perfect square number, and that number should be least. So first of all, let us find out its prime factorization. We have its prime factorization 2a square 3a square into 7. You are observing that there is no a square on 7, and to become it a perfect square number, there must be a square on each prime factor. So how we can bring a square on 7? Certainly, if we multiply this by 7, then there will be a square on 7 also. So therefore, to make 2 from prime factorization, we see that there is no a square on 7. So we are required to multiply this by 7 so that there will be a square on 7 also. So required number is 7. And what will be that number? Multiply 2, 5, 2 into 7, and this will become 1764. This is a perfect square number. To make it a perfect square number, दिस इज द लीस्ट नंबर, ये सबसे छोटी संख्या है जिससे तुम अगर मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर बन जाएगा। एंड नाउ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर विल बी 2a स्क्वायर 3a स्क्वायर एंड 7a स्क्वायर। देखो बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग 252 by 7 there will be a square of 7 also. So I have written here 7 square. Therefore, a square root, remove the square within a square root and sign of a square root, you will get 2 into 3 into 7, and this will give you 42. Now come to the question number 14. Question number 14 is, by what number 2925 should be divided so that it become a perfect square number? Certainly, the prime factorization of 2925 will tell us the required number. So let us find out the prime factorization of 2925. 3975, again it is divisible by 3. 325, now it is not divisible by 5. Now it is not divisible by 3. So let us divide it by 5. We shall get 65. Again 65 is divisible by 5, and we shall get 13. Thus prime factorization of 2925, we can write here 3a square into 5a square into 13. We are observing that there is no a square on 13. If there will be a square on 13, certainly this will be a perfect square number. But here there is no a square on 13. If we remove it, means if we divide 2925 by 13, certainly this number will be changed into a perfect square number. So I have written here, we see that there is no a square on 13. So if 2925 is divided by 13, then it will become a perfect square. Thus required number equal to 2925 by 13. If you divide it by 13, you will get 225. Therefore, you can find out the square root of 225. 225, you will get this 5 5 25, 25 9 225. So certainly, the square root will be 3 into 5 and 15. Now question number 15. There are itna plants 1 2 2 5. This is the number of plants. We have to find out the, I am reading the question. 1 2 2 5 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contain as many plants as the number of rows. इतने प्लांट को हमें गार्डन में लगाना है, इस ढंग से लगाना है कि जितना रो हो उतना ही जो है उस रो में प्लांट भी होना चाहिए, यानी नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स इन ईच रो शुड बी इक्वल. We have to find out the number of rows and number of plants in each row. Certainly, that number will be a square root of 1225. Let us find out its prime factorization. 5 से divisible है. If we divide 1225 by 5, we get 245. Again divide it by 5, you will get 49. This will be divisible by 7. 7 7s are 49. And thus we can write here the prime factorization of 1225 equal to 5 square into 7 square. Thus a square root of 1225 equal to under root 5 square into 7 square, and this will be equal to 5 into 7 equal to 35. Thus we can write here number of rows equal to number of plants in each row, that should be equal to 35. Now come to the question number 16. I am reading the question. The students of a class arranged a picnic. Each student contributed as many rupees as the number of students in the class. If the total contribution is rupees 1156, find the strength of the class. एक इस क्लास के लड़के जो है पिकनिक अरेंज कर रहे हैं. नियम बनाया गया कि एक क्लास का हर स्टूडेंट उतना ही पैसा देगा जितना उस क्लास का स्ट्रेंथ है, यानी मनी कंट्रीब्यूटेड शुड बी इक्वल टू स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द क्लास. दिस वाज द कंडीशन एंड दिस इज हाउ rupees 1156 was collected. Certainly, the total strength of the class equal to 1156. इसलिए निश्चित है कि जितने लड़के गए हैं पिकनिक पर, the total strength of students went on picnic equal to इक्वल टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो है आपका दिस विल बी 1156 हो जाए। जितना रुपया उतना नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, देयरफॉर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द क्लास क्या हो जाएगा, if the total number of students is 1156, certainly the strength of the class equal to under root 1156. मतलब the number the strength of the class will be a square root of 1156. I have done here prime factorization of 1156 to 578 to 289 289 होता है। Thus you can write here 1156 equal to 2 into 2 into 17 into 17. Write it in a square form, 2a square into 17a square. Therefore a square root of 1156 equal to under root 2a square into 17a square. And that will be equal to 2 into 17, that is 34. Certainly the strength of the class will be 34. Means number of students in the class will be 34. Come to the question number 17. Find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the numbers 6, 9, 15 and 20. Find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of, सबसे छोटा से छोटा संख्या निकालना है जो स्क्वायर नंबर, लीस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर होना चाहिए। लीस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर जो ये दिए हुए संख्या से डिवाइड हो जाए। तो नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम ऑफ दीज नंबर्स एंड इट इज इक्वल टू 180. 180 is LCM of 6, 9, 15 and 20. Certainly 180 is the least number which is exactly divisible by 6, 9, 15 and 20. By the property of LCM, LCM तो लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल होता है। ये सबसे छोटी संख्या है जो 6, 9, 15 and 20 से completely डिवाइड हो जाता है। And this is how we can say now a multiple of 180 will be also divisible by 6, 9, 15 and 20. अगर 180 जो है सबसे छोटा संख्या है जो इनसे कंप्लीटली डिवाइड हो जाता है, तो इस नंबर का कोई दूसरा मल्टीपल भी जो होगा वह भी जो है इससे क्या होगा, डिवाइड होगा। दिस इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एलसीएम। नाउ फाइंड आउट द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 180 एलसीएम and this is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. Write these prime factors in a square form, 2a square into 3a square into 5. You observe that there is no a square number, or there is no a square on 5, and to be perfect square number there must be a square on 5 also. Then what should be done to make 180 a perfect square number? Certainly this LCM should be multiplied by 5. This LCM should be multiplied by 5 to make it a perfect square number. So the answer is 180 into 5 and this will be equal to 900. 900 is multiple of 180 also, and this is the least number Which least perfect square number which is divisible by 6, 9, 15 and 20. Now I have done almost all the problems. Your homework will be complete exercise 3D in your फेयर नोटबुक। फेयर नोटबुक में जो है इसको नोट करना है अच्छा से, और साथ ही साथ हमको जो है व्हाट्सएप पर भेजना भी है। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू।